باہر سے؟ ٹھیک ہے، اب شروع کر دوں. اشہد ان لا الہ الا اللہ وحدہ لا شریک لہ واشہد ان محمدا عبدہ ورسولہ. اما بعد فاعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. الحمد للہ رب العالمین. الحمد للہ رب العالمین. الحمد للہ رب العالمین. الرحمن الرحیم. مالک یوم الدین. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. آج ہم اللہ تعالیٰ کے فضل سے
Today, Huzur says, with the grace of Allah the Almighty, upon the completion of 100 years of the Ahmadiyya Khilafat, to express our gratitude to Allah the Almighty, we have gathered here and also through MTA in all the countries of the world. The members of the Jamaat are gathered with us at this very important occasion. First of all, I express my Mubarakbad to you. I present my Mubarakbad to you and all the Ahmadis the world over. Today, according to the prophecy of our Holy Master Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his slave, the promised Messiah alayhi salam, founded a community, and we were able to join that community with the blessings of Allah the Almighty, the showers of blessings that rained down upon the promised Messiah alayhi salam. The way Allah the Almighty gave him those promises, you have seen the fulfillments. You must be seeing the small little hamlet of Qadian where the promised Messiah alayhi salam came. Nobody knew it. Today, the little hamlet, the village of the promised Messiah alayhi salam, is known the world over. And the white minaret, which was built as a symbol to announce the coming of the Messiah and the Mahdi alayhi salam. Today, in this gathering, according to the promise given to the promised Messiah alayhi salam.
ایک عظیم کارنامہ بے آب و گیا میں
Out of the great bounties of
بھری ہوئی ایک بستی میں
the promises that were given to the promised son of the promised Messiah alayhi salam.
بس
You can see the pictures of the flourishing community that he established in a wilderness upon migration into Pakistan. So those glimpses coming from the east and then from the west also, according to the promises given by Allah the Almighty, with the picture and the sound emerging from the west and from the east, from the north and the south, in Europe and in America, in Asia, in Africa, the world over it is being heard.
کہ اللہ تعالیٰ نے
This
وعدہ پورا کر دیا
attracts the attention, this calls the attention of every Ahmadi that Allah has fulfilled His promise and He is continuing to fulfill His promise.
اور پہنچا رہا ہے
The teachings of the promised Messiah alayhi salam were relayed to the ends of the earth. He is continuing to do that. The establishment of the Khilafat of Ahmadiyya and the progress it is making, you can see that in the history of Ahmadiyya, and today as well you can see the glimpses of that. With the Khilafat of Ahmadiyya, the way Allah the Almighty has treated it, you can see through the 100-year history how this is strengthening our faith. Does it not compel us that we become the grateful servants of Allah the Almighty and we express our gratitude to Him, bowing our heads to Him? And this gathering today is also to express our gratitude to Him. This is an expression of that. This day that Allah the Almighty has shown us today, this through the community of the promised Messiah alayhi salam, a golden chapter is being written, and with this intent and with this expression of gratitude, if we
سے تقریبات منعقد کر رہے ہیں
then
تو یہ نہ صرف
through this reference we are holding gatherings the world over. This is not only rightful, this is exactly in line with the directions of Allah the Almighty. Allah the Almighty says, وَأَمَّا بِنِعْمَةِ رَبِّكَ فَحَدِّثْ, that continue to expound the bounties of Allah that you receive. The promised Messiah alayhi salam says, humility is essential for the worship of Allah the Almighty. But by the directive of Allah the Almighty, وَأَمَّا بِنِعْمَةِ رَبِّكَ فَحَدِّثْ, that you have to expound the bounties and blessings of Allah. And then Allah the Almighty says that this humble one, in accordance to the directive, وَأَمَّا بِنِعْمَةِ رَبِّكَ فَحَدِّثْ, I do not see
ان تمام امور سے
any impediment in expressing that Allah the Almighty has granted a great share of blessings, and He has not turned me away empty-handed, and He did not appoint me without signs. He has given me signs which are being fulfilled and which will continue to be fulfilled, and until Allah the Almighty fulfills His decrees, He will continue to demonstrate those signs. And then He says, always remember